Lumagda sa Peace Covenant ang mga kandidato bilang District Representative sa Cotabato City. Ang Peace Covenant signing para sa 2025 BARM Parliamentary Election ay pinangunahan ng COMELEC, Militar at PNP. Ang detalye sa report.
Nagkasamuli ang COMELEC, AFP at PNP ng Peace Covenant signing para sa 2025 BARM Parliamentary Elections sa darating na Oktubre. Ang Peace Covenant signing ngayong araw ay para sa parliamentary district candidates sa Cotabato City. Kabilang sa mga dumalo si former COMELEC Chairman Attorney Sheriff Abbas, Member of Parliament Attorney Nagib Sinarimbo at Romeo Sema at iba pang mga kandidato.
Yan, actually, nagsimula na yung ating campaign period, no? In fact, palapit na po ng palapit yung ating election, no, this October 13, and we know based from the experience natin sa past, pag habang papalapit lalong umiigting, no, lalong nagiging tense yung kampanya, no. So tayo ay nakikiusap na sumunod pa rin tayo. Huwag nating kalimutan sumunod sa mga lituntunin na pinapatupad ng COMELEC, ng Philippine National Police and the Philippine Marines for Cotabato City. Sabi ko nga, yan ay para naman yan sa publiko na gusto niyong i-serve, para sa kanilang kapakanan, and para din sa mapayapang pangampanya ng ating mga kandidato.
The whole battalion of the Marine Battalion Landing Team 6 is nandito po kami sa loob ng Cotabato City. Wala kaming ibang deployment. This battalion is dedicated to the security and stability operations of Cotabato City, and we are prepared for any eventualities. But for now, we are prepared for the incoming BARM parliamentary elections, and again, our security postures is in place, and we are prepared to do our functions kung ano man po yung security situation.
This gathering is more than a formal event. It is a solemn pledge before Allah, before the people of Cotabato City, and before the Bangsamoro community, that we will uphold peace, unity, and respect as we face the upcoming parliamentary elections. As the City Director of Cotabato City Police Office, I affirm our full commitment to ensure that the elections will be peaceful, orderly, and secure. We in the police service stand ready to fulfill our mandate to protect life, property, and the rights of every voter, regardless of political affiliation.
Naphtali Velarde, iMinds, Philippines.